What's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today in this video I'll be putting shaving foam into my hard slime. So let's get started. And before I do it, I was prepared. I've got the shaving foam right here. And it smells great. So here's my foam. I'm going to roll it in it. First I have to get all the beads out of it. I think that's all of them. Dip my hand in it. Roll in it. I think I might just put on it. So I'm putting all of the shaving foam in it. And I'm going to try and get the beads to stick to it while it's doing that. I'm going to have one hand in there, and one hand controlling the beads. So nothing happens. I should have put my Minnie Mouse stuff in here. Might need to go and get them. High five! So guys, all of the shaving foam, I'm going to wipe off my hands, wipe off this, and bring this and leave it here so it can dry a little bit when I'm gone. Look at this. I'm just going to have to dip my hand in it. No, that's not going to be my phone. No, just kidding. So, anyways, as I'm doing this for you guys, so stinking bored. Guys, if you get bored, please come to my channel. And I will inspiration. Since I'm not bringing these with me, sorry. So guys, it took a little bit of a long time. I took about probably 1 minute. I cleaned this up. Oh no guys, I squirt used. Squirt used, sorry. Oh, that was pretty good lighting. Yep, alright, fine. So guys, I got the stuff. Got the towel, so we can use the mesh. We just have to mix it up. Don't make sure it cracks. So guys, what I'm doing now, I'm going to get all the stuff out of that. So, by the way, guys, I put lots of stuff in here, so hopefully it dries in an amount of time. So it doesn't, because yesterday I did this, I had to dry it out just because it would last a full day, and I didn't want it to, so I'm just gonna, I'm doing this, it won't help it though, it's just making it worse. So, now I have to clean it. So guys, I will have to bring it with me now. So you can see what I'm doing. Let's go. So guys, we're going in the bathroom now. Guys, Whoa. Right. Now. I got it. Now. The beads will have to be out. I actually haven't done this with the beads. So guys, sorry you can't see me right now, but I'm getting all the beads out, just so you know. It's a struggle putting your hand into a bag of shaving cream, but it feels like fluffy clouds. So guys, now I have to clean up the bag. Let's do that. As I'm filling it up with water. Oh my god. Let's put some hot water in this. Just to get up. So I get water. It's not bad. It's not even hard anyway. Now I'm taking that out. Now I'm going to do that. I'm going to sit right there to dry. Now I have to dry my hands. Alright, these beads are in the way. So, these beads need to go in the trash. Well, we can probably fix them. But I'll have to we'll save them for something. Alright. We'll just put them right here in the drawer. Alright. Right now we've got the slaughter in here. Alright. What I'm gonna do, this is the drying slime area. This is the fixing slime area. Oh god. Oh goodness me. Oh gosh. There's a bead here. Oh, that bead's bouncy. Bye. Oh gosh. Anyways, it's gone. That it gets stretch kind of. Yay. Yay. Now I'm gonna put hand solution stuff in it. There we go. How many squares should we put in there? 4. Alright. Well, slime's jiggly. Look at that. It's actually not that glittery anymore. Oh, no. I don't know what else I can put in there. Maybe I don't know. I don't want to put shampoo in it though. Maybe I can put a little bit more of this. Anyways, we're gonna see how it turns out like now. Oh my goodness. Alright. Anyways, what a wrapper on my hand. Whatever. Ah. It's only vegetarian. What was that? What was one? I'm gonna be vegetarian. That is the weirdest thing I've ever done. Oh my gosh. done it. I put like 50 squares in it. No, it doesn't work very well. But what did I say? It doesn't work very well. Alright. Actually, let's try the slime first. Let's try it. Alright, we've got the bag. Take all the water out. We're going to get all the shaving cream out. Don't know if you can see this, but like, I'm just going to dig it up. The reason why I'm doing it in the bathroom is I don't want to make. The reason why I'm doing it in the bathroom because I don't want to make a mess in my room. So, oh my god. By the way, guys, these are heat lights, so there. I don't know if you can see them, but I'll show you when I'm done doing this. Alright, I'm done. Now I'm going to fold this in half. Fold it in half, yeah. Alright, now I can show you. Oh, there. In the mirror. You can see them in the mirror. There. Oh, look, I've got 2 hands. Wait, what do I look like? Raise it up. What am I doing right now? There's lights. Look at me in the mirror. Look at me in the mirror. Filming from my iPad, by the way, guys. What am I doing? I'm upside down. Anyway, I'm gonna stop mucking around, guys. Anyway, I'm gonna leave back to my room, and then I'm gonna leave. I can't even open the door. The door's this little thing, guys. Door, what's up? What's up? Alright, we're gonna go. What's up with you, door? We're gonna go now. Alright. Back. Well, bam. There we go. What am I going to do? Alright, guys, you've got 5 seconds to like this video and subscribe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Hope you liked this video, by the way, guys. Hope you subscribe and like the video. That means if you hit the notification bell, every time I upload, you'll be able to see it on your iPad device. iPad, phone, iPod, yeah, device. Let's just say device. So thank you guys. The idea for the day was to put lots and lots of shaving foam in my slime. It turned out pretty well. So thank you for that day. Alright, we're gonna put the slime on back. And guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. By the way, guys, if you're new, I'm Twink Con. Bye.